We're going to use Photoshop today to renumber a series of JPEG photos. The series we have now starts at number 4 and ends at number 26 with lots of gaps in between. We want to have photos go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in that sequence with no breaks. We're going to use Photoshop to batch this process. It's an automated process. So under the File menu, select Automate. And from this menu here, we want to select Batch. And the action we're going to play is one I've created called Nothingness, and really it does nothing. It's just a dummy action script. Now we could select some other action scripts, but in this case I just really want to renumber, and you'll see where we do that in a minute. But I create a new action just called Nothingness. In fact, it does nothing. Just so I have something input there so it doesn't select one of the other actions. So we're just going to switch actions here and set the action to Nothingness. And then we're going to select our source folder. In this case, we're using the folder Soul. And you can see the images in that folder. So we're going to start off with these images, and then we're going to choose a destination folder where we will put our renumbered images. And so I'm just going to call that folder Renumbered. Now here's where the action takes place, the file naming, and we want to select 1-digit serial number. You can see it there. I've already selected it, but if it's not selected, use the little scrolling down menu on the right hand side and make sure you select 1-digit serial number. There you go. Now if our photos are JPEG, it will give us the JPEG extension, not the GIF extension. And you might also want to have the extension present in the file name. So again, there's a pull down menu and you can select the extension. Now for the sequencing, we want to have the start number as 1, so you can type that in. We'd like Windows compatibility, and you can also set it up to stop for errors, but in our case we're going to log the errors to a file, and so we click on Save As and we can type in a document name. And then when you're done, run the batch, and what might appear is a JPEG options dialog box, so just click OK and you're done. Have a great day.